Do carrots improve our eyesight? I'm Dr. Aaron Smith, optometrist in the state of Utah, and I'm going to answer this very question. You see, when I was about 10 years old, I did in fact do something that improved my eyesight dramatically. We'll talk more about that in a moment. For a very long time, the idea that carrots improve our eyesight has been around and believed by many people. I'm going to let a famous friend of mine tell you where the idea of carrots improving our eyesight actually came from.
Dr. Smith, how are you, my friend?
I can't complain. How are you doing?
Living the dream.
Hey, do you have a second to tell my viewers where the idea of carrots improving our vision actually came from?
Well, of course. That idea came from the time of World War II. The British had a new radar technology that helped them find and shoot down Nazi aircraft that were bombing them at night. In order to cover up this new radar technology that they had, the British actually used propaganda to their own people that advised them to eat carrots to improve their night vision. The effort was made to convince Nazi spies that the British had been feeding their soldiers more carrots to help them see Nazi bombers better at night. And that's where the idea first came from.
Whoa, so does that mean it's actually a big fat lie about carrots? Do carrots not actually improve our eyesight at all? Well, that depends. And watch until the very end of the video where I'm going to share a quick recipe on how to make a carrot juice that your kids will even crave. Let's talk about what's in carrots. So many people think that it's the vitamin A that's in carrots that helps our vision, but carrots actually don't have vitamin A. They have something that other similarly colored vegetables have, and that's something called beta carotene. Beta carotene becomes vitamin A when it passes through the intestinal wall and ends up binding to a large protein found in the layers of the inside of the eye called opsin. This combination of vitamin A and opsin is called rhodopsin. One place in the eye that rhodopsin is found is in the rods of the retina, which are responsible for governing our ability to see at night. So through rhodopsin, vitamin A can improve our night vision if we're vitamin A deficient. But it doesn't necessarily give us the same night vision that can spot aircraft in the night sky any better than the next person, and definitely not as well as radar technology. That being said, vitamin A is absolutely essential for proper eye health and function. Now here's some more food for thought. There's a warning for those who smoke or have smoked in the past, and that's smoking mixed with too much vitamin A has been linked to lung cancer. Take a second and hit the like button for me. It helps us on YouTube and helps us know if you're liking the content. So what I did when I was 10 years old that actually did improve my eyesight was getting my first pair of prescription glasses from an old optometrist in my hometown of Delta, Utah named Dr. Lund. I still remember him coming out squirting down my new glasses with Windex, because back then most lenses were made out of actual glass, and place them on my face for me. I couldn't believe all the detail that I'd been missing accompanying that thick Windex smell. I could actually see leaves on trees again. Question of the day, have you ever got new glasses or contacts and had that same leaves on trees experience? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to say hi. So here's that bonus tip. So carrot juice, right? Sounds gross, but a lot of people use carrot juice for not only the vitamins, but also to improve digestion, proper gastrointestinal function, to keep things moving better downstairs, if you get my drift. So a quick carrot juice recipe that even your kids will crave. All you need to do is grab a 5-pound bag of carrots from the store, organic is best, and 2 apples. You wash and peel them both and run them through a masticating juicer similar to the one shown here. I'll leave a link below for the one that I have in my house that I use. It works great. In case you're not sure which exact model to choose, it's gonna work awesome. You can save the pulp for things like baking, like muffins and different things. You can even freeze it if you want to. So go ahead and keep your appointment with your eye doctor. Don't cancel your LASIK consult, because carrots won't make your vision any better if you switch to carrots to improve your eyesight. If you like this video, then you definitely don't want to miss the next one all about foods that are good for the eyes, and I'll see you in the next video.